Hello, how are you? Today the question is f of x is equal to x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 5 plus 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 2. We have to find the fifth derivative. Then solution is x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 5 plus 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 2. Now we use the formula by using f dash x raised to the power n is equal to n x raised to the power n minus 1. Then f dash x is equal to, now 6 comes in the starting, 6 minus 1 minus, here 5 comes in the starting, 5 x raised to the power 5 minus 1 plus 3 into this 4 comes in the starting, x 4 minus 1 minus 4, this 3 comes in the starting, 3 x raised to the power 3 minus 1 plus 5, this 2 comes in the starting, x 2 minus 1 plus 4, 1 comes in the starting, x 1 minus 1 plus 2 x raised to the power 0, 2 into 0 into x power 0 minus 1. Then f f dash x. Now we simplify these two terms. 6 x raised to the power 5 minus 5 x raised to the power 4 plus 4 3 the 12 x raised to the power cube minus 4 3 the 12 x 3 minus 1 square plus 10 x 2 minus 1 1 plus 4 x raised to the power 1 minus 1 x raised to the power 0 plus 0. 0 into 2 is 0. F here f double dash x is equal to 6, this 5 comes in the starting, 5 x raised to the power 5 minus 1 minus 5, 4 comes in the starting, x 4 minus 1 plus 12, 3 comes in the starting, 3 minus 1 minus 12, this 2 comes in the starting, 2 x 2 minus 1 plus 10 1 x 1 minus 1 plus 4 into 0 x 0 minus 1. Then f double dash x is equal to 6 5 the 30, 6 5 the 30 x raised to the power 4 minus 5 4 the 20 x raised to the power 3 plus 12 3 the 36 x square minus 24 x plus 10 x raised to the power 0. Now f triple dash x is equal to 30 into 4 x raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 20 into this 3, 3 minus 1 plus 36 into 2 x 2 minus 1 minus 24 x 1 minus 1 here 1 plus 10 into 0 into x 0 minus 1 f triple dash x is equal to 34 to 120 x cube minus 60 x square plus 72 x minus 24 x raised to the power 0. Now f triple dash f fourth derivative f 4x sorry 120 into 3 into x raised to the power 3 minus 1 minus 60 into 2 x raised to the power 2 minus 1 plus 72 x 1 1 minus 1 minus 25 0 x raised to the power 0 minus 1 f is equal to 360 x square minus 120 x plus 72 x raised to the power 0. This is our fourth derivative. Now we find for fifth derivative. Fifth derivative is equal to 360 into 2 into x 2 minus 1 minus 120 into 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 72 into 0 into x 0 minus 1. Fifth derivative is equal to 720 x minus 120 is our answer.